Got an injury? Been told to rest? Sometimes rest feels like the obvious answer, but the truth is, resting too much can really slow down that recovery. So today we're going to talk very quickly about what is best. Is it rest? I'm Scott, here at Sports Physio UK. We've been helping people recover from pain and injuries right across Oldham, Slaithwaite, Rossendale for years, since 2012. And we see this mistake all the time. And when you get injured, your body's natural reaction is to stop moving. But total rest means weakness, stiffness in the joints, blood flow slows down, all of which can delay that healing process. Now, on top of that, if you avoid movement for so long, your nervous system becomes hyper and hypersensitive, meaning pain can stick around even after tissue is healed fully. So what's the better option? Active recovery. So that means gentle, controlled movements, specific exercises that keep you mobile without aggravating that injury. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. Instead of lying on the sofa with that sore back, simple mobility work, light walking, all can help up speed that recovery. With a sprained ankle, for example, let's look at small ranges of movement, balance exercises, things that get you on your feet just that little bit quicker than just resting. So next time that someone says just rest it, remember, movement is medicine. If you're not sure what's safe, that's where we come in. Our team can guide you with the right exercises, keep you active and recover properly. So if you want that help, come and see us here at Sports Physio UK. Let's keep you moving.